What's going on? AJ here again. Excited to bring another Dribbble challenge. I'm getting a ton of positive response from you guys, so I'm gonna keep doing these. If you have any Dribbble designs that you come across that you want me to replicate in SwiftUI, please put it in the comments below, and I will be sure to get to it. I've already had one request, and I'm working on that video right now. The most difficult part about these is just getting the correct assets, so it looks like the design, the original design. But with this Dribbble artboard here, unfortunately, like we won't be able to customize these two circles right here. I mean, I could have. That would have been very easy. It's just because by the time we got here, the video is already pretty long. But we definitely replicate this whole. I use a different avatar. I use different just symbols here and some different symbols here. But other than that, the aesthetic is perfectly intact and it looks great. So again, I hope you guys really enjoy this episode, and we're going to dive into it right now, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So what's going on, everyone? As you saw from the intro video, we will be designing, I'm actually going to probably design most of this, but we're going to start with this middle screen here. I'm going to be using different icons, but we will be looking and a different avatar, obviously, because these are more custom icons. Tried looking for them, couldn't find them. Same with some of these down here. But yeah, we'll get really close. But yeah, I'm really excited to dive into this. So let's open up Xcode 2 here, and let's create a new project. Xcode kind of has its quirks right now since it's in beta. Okay, I'm gonna center this. Let's bring this down here like this. All right, let's create an app, and let's call it Dribbble Challenge. I think it was like a traveling or visa app thing. Next, save it in there, and definitely close this and close this. Get the preview showing up. Alrighty, and let's jump into Safari. Alright, so we're gonna probably start with this stuff right here and this guy. So let's see here. Yeah, this is gonna be easy. Yeah. All right. So I'm just doing this on the fly, and just so you guys know, with SwiftUI, it's all about layering, man. It's all about how you use VStacks, how you use HStacks, how you use ZStacks. ZStacks, you can stack things on top of each other, like you see here. But this is essentially, this whole thing is in a ZStack, right? But this frame is the actual ZStack frame, and then inside that ZStack is a vertical stack between this image and this text, which I'll show you. But we're gonna start up here first. So let's go to Xcode. All right, so we got our hello world showing. Let's resume this, and I think it's hello, and we're gonna put this in a VStack. Put this VStack in an HStack, and then we're gonna copy that. We're gonna get rid of this padding, and we're gonna copy this. Put this here. Safari, Mr. Rizwan, and Mr. Rizwan. Okay, and then we're gonna do let's choose. That's gonna be a whole separate one. So this avatar is, I'm gonna have to upload this avatar. I'm gonna go to my assets here, and I'm gonna go to my folders. I'm gonna go to my startup Clava here, and yeah, if you want to check out Clava, you can check us out at clavaapp.com. And let's bring this avatar in here. Perfect. Okay, cool. And let's go to content view. Oh, wait, what's the name of this? I believe it's called AJ. Perfect. Content view, and let's add an image. Let's call it AJ. Oh, AJ. So this pops it. Let's go to here. What? This is what I'm talking about. What the heck is SwiftUI doing? Oh, maybe because no. Dot resizable? What? Okay, we're gonna try a different asset then. What the heck? I've never seen that. Alright, no worries. And we're gonna just drop. Let's do this. AJ onto. Alright. Could do AJ final. Let's delete this. Delete AJ final. Let's go back here. And let's see, just make sure AJ and then final. Okay. AJ final. Let's resume. Let's resume. There we go. Okay, now we're talking. What the heck was that? All right. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna move this guy, paste it here, and then we're gonna give a frame of width 50, height 50. You have to have this resizable, or else, you know, you're not gonna be able to resize the image. I do want to get my old image though. Oh, perfect. Now it wants to work. Okay, that's cool. All right, and then yeah, so we're now gonna style this text. We're gonna do font dot size, and let's just do 38, and let's just do bold, I think it is, and dot rounded. And Safari, it's gonna be yeah, it's gonna be gray. Okay, actually, we should try medium. Yeah, that looks more like it. And let's just add a foreground color of dot gray, and perfect. And let's add a comma. Then we're just gonna copy this stuff here, come like this, and make this dot black. Okay, command click. Oh, command click this VStack, and what we're gonna do is we're going to SwiftUI inspector and align left. So that's aligned, and it's kind of thinner. Let's just see what this looks like real quick. What's default look like? Yeah, there we go. Let's try dot default, and I'm actually gonna do color lit. Okay, and I'm gonna give this a hex code. I don't want it completely black, so I'm just gonna give it, like, you know, this is kind of on the lighter side. I mean, I like this black. It's not, no, it's like the default black to use. So this is looking good, and maybe just drop this down to like 34, not 300. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add spacer, and it's gonna be a padding dot leading of 30. It's gonna be padding dot trailing 30. So what's it look like? So it even looks like it might be like 28, and this is gonna be, I wonder what happens when this, might have to use an offset. Oh no, nope, we're good. All right, so this is done. Now we're gonna build this part, right? So come up here. I'm gonna show you guys how I kind of like organizing things. I'm gonna fold this HStack, fold, give it an enter here, and then I mean I don't know how many of you guys like this, but I really like it, and I use Mark, and what the Mark does is it adds a shortcut here. So if I never need to come back to like the header part, or you know, maybe the body part when we get to it, all I need to do is click here and it'll take me to header. It's right here. It just marks it, right? It's like a little shortcut. So I'm gonna embed this into a VStack. I'm gonna take that mark, put it right here. Then I'm gonna fold this HStack again. Fold. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a VStack. VStack. Okay. Perfect. And then after that, we're gonna then embed another VStack. Oh, no, we're good. We're gonna embed an HStack. Okay, and we'll add some text here, and we'll have that text say, "Let's choose your required service." Let's choose your required service. Okay, that's cool. All right, now we want to build these two buttons here. So that's not hard. We're literally just gonna Command Shift L, add a button, and yeah, we're going to do the same thing here. Let's add a text. And what's it say? Personal. And this is the text. This says business. All right, so we got our buttons, and then we're gonna add some frames to these buttons. This is why I love SwiftUI. This looks like 54 if I'm not mistaken. Might be like 180. Okay, it's just like you can just customize like a button's like, I don't know, it's just so nice. And then we're gonna do a .background color literal, and it's not gonna be white. So what we'll do is we'll come here and we'll double click this background color since we have the picker. Okay, should change. Perfect. And then we're gonna close out, bring this up, copy this, bring it down here, open up the picker again, open up the picker. Oh, and yeah. Okay, open up the picker, and let's grab this little light color here. All right, so we got that, and then looks like a black and white font, so that's easy. So all you have to do here is just do foreground color, and I'm gonna give it, let's see here, I gotta correct my neck. Let's see here, 22222, perfect. And let's make this guy foreground dot white. All right, we'll come back to the sizing in a second. Then we're gonna do corner radius of 20. No, it's like 10 maybe. Yeah, oh, looks like 14. Corner radius, do the same thing here. And then we're definitely gonna align. Show inspector, align left. Okay, that's aligned. All right, and does it line up per? Okay, so it doesn't. There's some little. Okay, so that's looking good. This is looking. Yeah, so I think the text size here needs to be font dot size. I'm gonna say 15. Yeah, that's more like it. And it's got to be foreground dot gray. Okay, perfect. I don't like that. Doesn't look like it. Let's get the picker. All right, and after this, we're gonna go really quick. Let's say it's like that. Yeah, it's better. All right, and then this HStack, we're gonna fold this HStack. Yeah, let's fold this. Yeah, this has to be the same font actually. Font dot system style. dot default. Font. Okay, just do it this way. Add size. Get rid of you. And let's make this 19. Let's make this default. What? Okay. Fix the code. Oh, comma. Alright, perfect. And let's take this now. Come down here. Okay, perfect. And then we'll need to collapse this HStack, collapse, fold, and we're gonna then give a padding dot top of 50. Maybe like 40, and then I would say padding dot top of 10. Okay, we got this. We're gonna fold this, fold. We're gonna come here, mark, and let's do choose. Okay, done here. All right, after that, we're now gonna focus on these cards. So this is going to be a VStack, and with the text of, going really fast now, guys, select service. Let's go up here. Let's grab this information. No, this, because it's black. Come down here, add this. Select service. Perfect. Let's align left, and we're gonna change this. It's gonna work after we add another VStack, and then we're inside that VStack we're gonna add an HStack. Okay, and then we're gonna literally copy. We're gonna get rid of a line first. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a ZStack in here. So a ZStack, make this a VStack, and we're gonna add Z, and this ZStack is gonna be a frame of width. Let's do 150, height of 100. What? Height, there we go. Okay, so it needs to be taller, shorter. 180. Yeah, it's about right. And then I'll do a picker. Oh no, we can do this. Dot background, color lit. Take this, get the picker here. We're gonna grab you, and then we're gonna add an image system. System name. And the first one is gonna be, where we at? First one is gonna be passport. So I think it's in card. Let's just do greeting card. Greeting card. Oh. Okay. And this greeting card is kind of big, so we're gonna do font. System size, let's make this 20, 34, 40, 50. Okay, Safari, and it's gonna be passport, and then gonna add a text, and it's gonna say passport. And actually, what we're gonna do is we can actually, I think, just make this a VStack. Sorry, I'm dumb. Passport, and then let's see here. Yep. So it's gonna be dot font dot system. Let's make this 19 dot bold and dot default. All right. Perfect. Still. Okay, come down here, add a padding, fix the code, passport, and less than this, okay. See if I can move this over. Okay, and then passport, let's just do an offset of Y, let's do 30. 20. Okay, it's perfect. And then we're gonna come down here, do a dot corner radius of 20. Okay, so we got that. We're gonna copy this VStack, add it again, resume, build failed. There we go. That was weird. All right, now next one is going to be Visa, and we're just going to use let's just do credit card. Visa, and let's grab the picker here. Picker, other, grab you. Okay, perfect. And all we need to do is, I believe, yep, change this stuff to white. White. And all you gotta do is go foreground dot white. I mean, SwiftUI makes it so easy. And then we're gonna do this, and we're gonna fold, and fold, and we're gonna copy you guys. I'm gonna paste it right in here. Oh, okay, okay, and I believe, yep. So ticket, and then ticket and insurance. Okay, so this is insurance. This is ticket. Oh, sorry, insurance. Ticket. Okay, and this is gonna be the same color as the other guys. All right, and get rid of this white here. Get rid of this white here. Okay. Okay, so now we got that. And now I think with this we can add a line left. Okay, perfect. And Safari looking like select service lines up like this, and they come out here, so that's no problem, because all we need to do is add some spacing to this HStack, SwiftUI, and let's do 25. Not we don't want padding. Spacing 25. And let's make these like 180 and this like 200. There we go. Now they're lined up. Now we come down here. 180. 200. Come down here. 180. Oh my God. 200. And last but not least, almost done, guys. Visa. 180. 200. All right. So we can calm this down to like 15. Yep. Line it up. Line it up with this guy. Maybe be like 10. Good. All right. Add this spacing to here. And then we're going to collapse you. No, we're just going to collapse this VStack. Fold. And we're going to do a padding dot top of comma 20. I think it might be even a little further. $40 it is. Okay, 40. So last but not least, we're gonna then make this nav bar down here. So we're gonna do image, right? Let's do system name, home, the home there. Oh, not again. Dot font. Let's size. Let's make this 24. Let's embed this into a VStack and make this a ZStack. My God. Color lit. Ignore dot all. Okay. HStacks should be okay. So you know what? I'm just gonna. I bet you it's because. Oh, I know why. Because I have the wrong name, don't I? It's house. I'm a moron. This should show up now. Yep. All right. So copy. I think it might only be 4. And we're gonna do. Yep. We're gonna do. It's just. Let's do QR code, QR code dot viewfinder. It's QR code dot viewfinder. Okay, that's there. And then we're gonna do folder, right? Folder fill. Yeah, let's do folder.fill and folder.fill and user, and I think it's like user person.circle, and then let's hurry up and close this out and let's find that last guy. I know he's in here somewhere. It's like a square. He's like obviously 2 circles by 2 circles. It's getting hot. I feel it. Oh, here we go. Square.grid.2x2. Square.grid.2x2. Okay, there we go. All right, and then last but not least, let's do the spacing of 30. What's this? Safari. Wow, actually, way more than that. Let's do like, I just want to see what 80 looks like. Yeah, perfect. Take this, and we're going to do a padding of the top of 40. There you go, guys. And so we have our finished product right here compared to here. I mean, that's pretty. Oh, one last thing. Dot foreground, dot gray. Take this, like this, like this. All right, there we go. I mean, that's pretty darn close. That looks really nice. Yeah, that's it, guys. Look, I hope you really enjoyed this this tutorial. I'm gonna keep doing more because the community keeps responding. If you have any requests, please drop in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment whatever you don't like or what I can improve on. I'm still a beginner coder, not beginner, but when it comes to front end designing, I'm pretty good at. But I'm still learning the ins and outs of SwiftUI and all this stuff. So anything I can do to help you guys, please let me know. Anything you can do to help me, please let me know. And I hope you really enjoyed this episode.